Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman dito sa aming channel, Nyan Family. Kung bago pa lang dito, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. Remember that vlogging style, no? If you are new here, please subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman, Nyan Family.
Break, break.
Okay. Yo, guys, so yun nga. Welcome sa vlog. At ngayong araw na to, since may nag-comment sa ating last video na sa last cooking video natin na magpatikim daw ng what's that? Bistek Tagalog or adobo kay Nancy. So meron kaming pork today and meron naman kaming mga toyo, etc. So susubukan din Nancy gumawa ng bistek Tagalog, no? Nancy will try to make the bistek Tagalog. Yan. Actually, 2 days na siyang nagke-crave sa Filipino food. Before was, we wanted to do Bicol Express. Pero since marami na kaming video na Bicol Express, try naman niya ang bistek Tagalog. Saktong-sakto sa meat.
I actually even sent him to buy coconut milk to make Bicol Express and then we change our plan.
Yeah, actually.
And it's expensive, 4 euro.
4 euro, guys. 4 euro.
4 euro.
4 euro, 250 pesos. Isang can na gano'n, napakamahal. Nyan Family. But the meat that we have is exactly it's good for the bistek Tagalog. And we have onions, red onions is good for bistek also. So Nancy will try this one. And since ako ay hindi pwedeng mag-rice, Nancy will not make the typical rice kanin, no? Nancy will make a rice from cauliflower.
Which, if it's good, we also suggest to you so that lessen your
rice intake, no? So, yun nga guys, marami sa ating mga Pilipino, no, na mahilig talaga tayo sa rice, no? Almusal, tanghalian, hapunan, yan ang ating rice. Yan ang ating pagkain. Rice talaga tayo. So, merong alternatives para mas healthy yung rice niyo. Meron tayong alternatives dyan. So, like cauliflower. Ito yan, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang cauliflower. Ito, pakita natin ang cauliflower. Wait lang, Kuya Dila. Naspete. Pakita ko sa inyo ang itong cauliflower. Let's open. Yan. Ito yan. Ito yung cauliflower na gagawin nating rice. Gagawin din nating rice. Actually, tinry niya na to one time and it's really good. No?
We did, yes.
Yeah. So, yan nating alternative. Ngayon, sisimulan na Nancy magluto. Yan.
Ikaw na. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Hello, Noah. How are you? Yan, medyo okay na siya ngayon. Medyo wala na siyang ubo. So, very good yung antibiotic niya. It's working. Right, so, ayan na. Nag-ano na si Nancy. Nag-start na pala siya.
Cut, yes.
Yan na yung parang broccoli siya, no? White broccoli.
Yes, it's
cauliflower. Yeah.
Now you need to put pulse. Like,
you need to?
Pulse. It's called pulse?
I don't know.
Pulse. Like pulse. Pulse. I don't know.
I don't know. It's
like
in
not
English.
continuous. No?
Like bzz, bzz,
yes.
bzz, bzz,
Like,
bzz. Okay. Your food processes like bzz, bzz, bzz.
Yeah.
Like that. guys. So, yan ang pulse na tinatawag.
What am I saying?
I don't know. Pulse. Para magmukha siyang rice.
I'll make a small part of rice for the kids.
Yeah. Okay. Oh! So ito na yung generate natin na cauliflower. Yan. Tapos magagawa rin kami ng kanin, magsasaing din kami ng kanin kasi para sa mga bata, no?
See the white bubbles in the one of those white inside that.
Stickers.
I add some water to this
Cauliflower. So guys, wala kaming lemon. So meron kami nitong lemon juice. So ito lang meron kami guys, lemon juice. Yan. So yan, so sinansa nagluluto guys ha. Yan. Dark pepper, soy sauce. Meron tayo ditong soy sauce, dato puti. Galing ko ng Pilipinas. Black pepper. Chikwa. Garlic.
No, garlic powder. No.
Garlic powder.
Now garlic powder. Later on. Lemon.
Don't put so much because later you need also.
Lemon.
No, I start crying. Ito karga-karga na naman.
Yeah, actually, it's random. We're not measuring.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Show your drawing to Nyampa. Show your drawing.
Yes.
Oops, show your drawing. Wow, yan drawing niya no nakaraang araw guys. Yan drawing niya. Marunong na mag-drawing. Marunong ka na mag-drawing na.
It's a verde. It's a verde.
You have verde.
It's a verde in bianco.
English.
Green in bianco.
Bianco English. White.
White.
White. Yes.
Green and white.
White. Yes. Huh?
It's eaten after 1 hour, but okay.
We didn't marinate. Yeah. But
Now I cut the onion while I cut the onions. This will get.
yeah. We are looking at panlasang Pinoy, guys. So, guys, what is good here, no? Ako talaga, guys, aminin ko sa inyo, hindi ako magaling magluto. Marunong lang ako magluto kapag may sinusunod na recipe. Like, panlasang Pinoy, yan ang lagi ko sinusundan na recipe. Pero without panlasang Pinoy, I'm not good with cooking. I mean, it's not natural, no? Like Nancy, she's natural. Don't need to look for any recipe. Just put the ingredients and that's it. Me, I need to look for the ingredients.
You even wrote the pasta with broccoli.
Kung makikita nyo yan guys, meron tayo ditong may mga ano ko dyan. May mga recipe ako dyan sinusulat. Yan, mga recipe, pancake. In case na kailangan magluto, no? Ito na yung rice natin. Para siyang couscous. Looks like couscous. Yeah.
You just cook with I put some oil and a bit of water. It's also fast to cook. The reason why it's just
Yeah.
So this marinate for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
While we take the pan.
Ito yung ating rice, cauliflower, lagyan natin ng konting garlic, guys. Onion? You're not crying? Yes, you're crying a bit.
Yes.
No, it's crying even without onion. Eh? You're crying.
I'm putting the onion. I just need to cook the onion.
Wait a minute.
And then we use the same oil to put the meat. So I'm heating the oil. And I put all the onion. Are you ready? It's not the first time I eat this. I think 2 years ago. Long time.
See, add the meat. Wow. Nawa! Nawa! Hey! What? Enough?
A lot.
Okay. Actually, it's Saturday ngayon, guys. Tomorrow yung last day ko sa diet. So, after ng diet natin, kain na tayo ng kanin. It's time to eat rice. No? Bawiin natin yung nawalang weight.
We'll eat less, right?
Yeah, for sure I eat less. So, what do you think about Filipino foods?
I like.
Huh?
I like, but not always. It's very heavy.
Heavy to eat.
Yes.
And what is your favorite?
Bigel Express. I think everybody knows now.
Bigel Express. What else?
I like pancit.
Pancit. What else?
Pancit is when I don't know what to eat. Pancit. I like sinigang.
Kare-kare you like?
Kare-kare. I like. I never know the name. The one with the boiled egg inside.
With meat. With the tomato.
You put carrot. You put
Yes.
Potatoes.
I don't know the name. I forgot the name. But usually, giniling, guys. Yung nilalagay natin ng ketchup, tomato sauce, tapos may itlog. Alam niyo yung luto na yun. Giniling with egg, no?
There was one that your mother did once. It was very good.
Tortang talong.
I bought that one.
We have to do tortang talong. Yeah.
No, your mother did once something with pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
And I don't know, but that was amazing. 2 years ago.
Yeah. Okay. Kasi yung sila mama dito nagpunta. Nagbakasyon sila dito ng 3 months. Yan. Luto-luto ng Filipino food. Come here, Daddy. Come here. Habang nagluluto si Mami. Makulit si Noah, makulit. Come here. Noah. Guys, so bago tayo mag-lunch, ito magba-vitamins muna ako. Ito yung daily intake ko. Creatine. Ayan, 1 scoop niyan. Tapos multivitamins. Nakakatulong yan sa aking diet. Kasi, maraming mga vitamins na magda-down kapag nag-keto diet tayo. No? So, creatine and ito, multivitamins. Powder type siya. So, inaalay ko lang siya sa tubig. Tapos, haluin ko lang. And then, ready na yung vitamins. Katulad sa atin, vitamins, di ba, tablet. Dito, may mga vitamins na pwede mo ihalo sa tubig. O ihalo sa juice. Pasensya na sa magulo, maingay kasi mga bata naglalaro sa baba. Okay. Wow! Yan na guys, oh.
Looks good.
Same.
Mama,
You want to try?
Okay, I'll try.
Mostro si chiama
Try natin guys. Ha?
Olli?
Yes.
Mamma, di qua c'è il mostro.
Non giochiamo,
No, non è un mostro. Qua c'è il mostro. No, non è un mostro.
Try natin.
No, c'aveva paura e ti è spaventato.
No, è un monello, mi sa.
È che mostro.
It's good. Put more lemon.
Vinegar ce l'ho messo un po'.
Finish this. Kain tayo, sabi ni Panlasang Pinoy, kain tayo.
I want to say also, this is a secret to make the kids eat the vegetable. So you mix the vegetable in the rice.
Directly.
Because if it's for Dylan, you can eat like you, one whole of this of plain rice with nothing. If you don't stop him, you will eat all.
Yes, true. Ganyan si Noah guys, pag nagluluto, ayan, nakakapit yan niya. Minsan nahuhubaran na yung ano, the pants go down, no?
Fortunately,
It's very fun. Pag nagluluto ko breakfast, guys, yan, nakakapit yan sa akin. Kasi pajama maluwag yun, di ba? Pag luluto ako, nakakapit yan. Hihilain niya pababa, so mahubarang ka na. Yan, o, ganyan yan, o. Ganyan yan palagi. Ah.
think it's enough. The meat is not tender.
Okay, fine. Close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open na. Kulit, talaga kulit. Alright guys, so luto na ang ating beef steak after 2 hours. 1 hour marinade. No, just kidding. After 1 hour naman. So, ayan na ating beef steak. Ang ating rice at cauliflower rice, and then the beef steak. Alright. So, I can smell the beef steak. Very good. Riso. I like couscous. Couscous. Hey, riso per Dylan. You like rice?
Yes,
You want couscous or you want rice?
rice.
Right?
Rice
Couscous, no?
Will you cook couscous?
and rice together.
Tutto. Pati ginger? Okay.
Okay.
Couscous.
Couscous. You hungry?
No.
No, not yet.
No.
Okay. Okay, wow, very nice, yeah. Ayan. Kain na, kain na. Gutom na ako at naramdaman ko na, naamoy ko na ang amoy ng bistek Tagalog, no?
Dylan, ti metto un po' di riso, poi dopo mangiamo anche la
Kain tayo, kain muna tayo, guys, ha?
Adesso ti metto il riso.
At mag-ano tayo, mag-reaction tayo, reaction video. Noah. Okay. Bye.
Vai.
Right. Oh. Then Noah will try. Wow. One more. Good. You like? You like? Very good.
Come si fa? Very good.
This one si chiama Bistek Tagalog. Very good. You did the cooking, eh?
Yeah. It's very simple.
Do you want the revision?
It's good if there's calamansi. Yeah.
But it's tastes good. No, really. Also, this cauliflower rice.
Now I need to try. Now it's my turn to try.
Yeah.
Yan guys, so itong cauliflower, maganda to pang alternative sa rice. Good for the alternative to rice. Natin na sabaw. Onion. Yan.
Okay, Mommy, ready?
No.
Yan, tikman natin ha.
Delicious.
I can do this. Hindi ko kasi ba yan? No, firm.
Very good.
1 to 10?
10. Perfect.
Mama.
This is perfect kabistek Tagalog.
Hindi na.
So guys, yan. So, magaling na si Nancy. Magaling magluto talaga to. Oh, ito.
Tapi lagi maju come ha fatto Daddy.
Say mo, sarap. Sabi mo, masarap.
Masarap.
Bistek Tagalog. Say mo, bistek Tagalog. Bistek Tagalog. O, ikaw din, bistek Tagalog. Boom. Oh, bistek Tagalog. Dido.
Very good, Nancy.
Very good, Nancy. Very good. Very good. So guys, kain na muna kami. Concentrate muna tayo. At see you after na lang, okay? Kainan muna. Ayan, fam. Kain na rin kayo. Dinner na. Kain na rin kayo. Write in the comment down below kung ano naman ang gusto nyong lutuin ni Nancy sa susunod. Lutuin niya next, okay? And then,
keep the light on, I'm coming home. I no longer want to roam. Set the table, 'cause I know that I'm running.
yan, fine. Ay, may ubo pa nga pala. So guys, tapos na kami kumain at busog. Sarap tayo dahil napakasarap ng naluto ni Nancy na bistek Tagalog. You know guys, like what I said before, kung meron kayong mga nais na i-request na lutuin namin dito, nalutuin ni Nancy, or ipatikim kay Nancy, I will try my best to do it. Or we will try our best. Yeah. Shut your face. Let's open. Yan guys, so it's nagpe-prepare na matulog yung si Dylan. Ito, nakapajama na. Ako, kakatapos ko lang maglinis dito, maghugas ng pinggan. Meron kaming dishwasher but puno na, so yung iba minanwal wash ko. Kaya yun, so good job kay Nancy kasi naluto niya yung bistek Tagalog. Actually, di ko makita. Call mo mama. Mama! So, ito medyo okay na siya kasi nag-antibiotic at medyo wala na sa ubo. Yan, and tomorrow ang last day ko sa aking diet, so pwede nang kumain ulit ng kanin. Na? So, si Nancy. I'm just ending the vlog. Oh, wow, nakapadya. Angkora, no? Pato.
Okay.
So guys, thank you very much for watching. Nancy, for sure she is tired. Do you know why he's doing like this? Hello friends! Hello friends! Say mo, hello friends! Yan guys, so thank you very much for watching. Tutin sieme. Ciao ciao. Good night. Guys, sing. Wow. Company.
Ti ho fatto male pochino. Giuliè, don barà, don berì, ri, ri.